Hello and welcome sa panibagong episode ng Katarantaduhan Podcast. This is your boy, Erwin.
It's your girl, Isabel.
It's your girl, Pat.
And it's Kyla.
Wow! Okay, anong hula ninyo for this episode?
Mahalay.
Kababuyan.
Mahalay.
Mix of both.
Mix of both?
Yes.
Medyo rom-com. So mo
Yeah,
rom-com. Ay,
yan,
sige.
pwede
I think
yan.
rom-com. Doon ako sa rom-com.
Gusto ko yan.
Yan. Gusto ko.
Maiba naman.
Ito yung mga favorite ni Bella, rom-com.
Wattpad.
Yeah, maybe. Rom-com. Okay, ready?
Ready.
Confession. Pininger sa kantin.
Rom-com ba yan?
Ano ba yung mga paborito mo?
Okay. Pininger sa kantin. Nakakahiya po ito pero hindi po talaga mawala ito sa isip ko. Ilang taon na ang nakakalipas. I am Anna, not my real name. I am 18 now, female. I was one of the popular kids in our school and this mistake happened in the middle of the school year. I met this guy. He was my classmate and party siya ng circle of friends ko. We clicked so we started dating. Everyone knew after a month. Dito na nagsimula yung kasalanan. Pininger niya ako sa kantin ng school namin with only a jacket covering us. The worst part, Catholic school yun. I couldn't help but feel it, the thrill of being caught, that whirling sensation in my stomach. During that time, the guilt was eating me up, but my hand was making its way to his pants. I could not suppress my voice. I feel like we got caught, pero hindi nagsalita yung mga tao. After that, we did it sa boys' bathroom, sa cubicle. Someone heard us and they reported us. Napunta kami sa guidance office. They said that of all people, we should be the ones to know that it was a sin. So after that, we broke up. People started talking about us. My ex avoided me. The funny part was, even after the unforgettable memory, we still did it. Whenever we met up in public places, we did the deed. After all these years, I can't forget him. I can't bear the thought of confronting him about us. I'm scared of his answer. Am I just a fubu or does he feel something for me? Bella, yun yung rom-com confession mo.
Tapos na?
Yes.
Wait, alam mo, mayroon ako kakilalang Ana na galing Catholic school.
Eto, wait lang actually. Wait lang.
Ayup ka.
Bella, wait lang. Sabi sa main key points ko, hayop na yan, attorney Ana Patricia. Bakit ganito yung... Ana Patricia.
Kasi alam, may kakilala talaga ako,
I know,
Ana, Catholic
Ana.
school.
Yeah.
Pininger sa...
Oh my God. Attorney Ana Patricia. But
Uy, gagi, hindi.
ganito yung confession. Alam kong wild ka, pero hindi ko alam ganito ka pala ka-extreme. Okay, eto guys ha. I-rate nyo si Bestie, si Attorney, 1 to 10. 1 being pakipot na wild or 10 being social na wild.
Wait, ano yung 8?
Ano yung...
Ano yung bandang 8?
1 to 10. Anything between pabebe wild or pakipot wild.
Hindi ako pukipot daw.
Hindi siya pa bebe din.
O di
Pabebe.
social na wild.
Hindi rin siya social na
Ako
wild.
pala mukha mo.
O di squammy wild.
I wouldn't say that. Maybe in the middle of squammy and social. You know,
It's
neutral.
called balance.
Balance wild.
I think it
Yeah.
is.
Equilibrium.
Yes.
But I don't think you should do it sa public place.
Ang baboy.
Sa kantin
Bestie,
pa talaga.
popular school ka ba? Ay, popular kid ka ba?
I would say so.
Maybe.
Patay tayo.
Feeling ko talaga siya yun.
Kinakabahan ako.
Gago ka. Kadiri na kinilabutan ako to. Kasi
Good.
like, may ganyan sa school namin dati na chismis na ganun eh.
Okay.
Alata. Pero hindi sa canteen, sa classroom.
May jacket din.
Oh, may jacket. Uso kasi yun kasi 'di ba aircon.
Oo.
So malamig.
May-
Lahat may dalang jacket. Alam mo yung chika lang to sa akin, hindi ko naman na-witness eh. Kita daw na gumagalaw yung kamay dun sa jacket. Tapos nakasubsub si girl. Hi, girl! Chari!
Ano to, college or
High school!
what grade? Like,
Parang feeling ko like third year high school, I think.
God damn.
Intramurals, yung mga gustong tamahan dyan.
Actually, I wonder why do popular kids do this mga gantong bagay. I don't know ha. Like parang most of the confessions, they are like bukod dun sa kanina na maganda yung story na popular, nagkatuluyan sila, but ito popular kid din na doing things like this. Ano to, like just because you think a popular ka sa inyo, you can get away with this? Like I don't know, like yung mga popular kids madalas yung mga mas prone.
Baka may thrill.
Yun nga.
Yeah, in
Yeah.
a way.
That real, ano.
O yung na-chismis sa amin, hindi siya popular. Actually, tahimik siya. So, malapit na kitang identify. Joke lang.
Ay, bulong mo.
Ayoko.
Speaking of wild, ano yung pinaka-wild na ginawa niyo sa school noon? Don't worry. Anonymous.
Ayan na.
Bella.
tayo?
Okay, ano yung pinaka-wild na ginawa mo sa school? Nalunok yung dila ni.
Nabo siya.
Nakipag-kiss.
Oh,
Kiss sabay hug, sabay bye-bye. Wow.
kisabay hug nga talaga.
No, it's kiss.
Yung nahuli ka ng janitor?
Foreman yon.
Foreman pala.
Si Mang D.
Mangdi.
I won't name him.
O si Attorney Ana, anong...
Masaya,
pinaka-wild?
intrams to, pero hindi po talaga ako yan. Bestie, hindi ko alam paano nangyari to, pero parang may dalawa akong situationship. Hinolding hands ko yung isa doon, nandun kami sa gym. Tapos yung isa hinolding hands ko sa classroom, same day.
That's good. It's not as bad.
Tapos nag-away sila.
Ganda niyan.
Haba ng hair.
I mean,
Rapunzel.
grabe talaga.
Pero grabe
Pero
naman,
kilig na kilig ako.
wholesome.
Pero kilig na kilig ako nung nag-away sila.
Wholesome pero dalawang lalaki.
Hindi. Hindi naman ano eh.
Isa sa hapon, isa sa umaga, breakfast and lunch.
Hindi pareho yung hapon.
Parehas yung hapon. Ikaw, Ate Kayla, mukhang hindi ka makapili ah.
Uy, grabe ka naman. Hindi ako wild kasi that's a public space, nakakahiya. But maybe nakapaglaplapan sa changing room.
That's not bad.
Not bad.
yeah.
That's
Diba?
not bad.
Yeah,
Because we were kids, where else would we do it?
Hindi pala high school. Akala ko high school lang yung category.
Hindi.
High school. I thought
Lahat.
high school.
Lahat.
Hindi, pinaka-wild na ginawa nyo sa school.
school.
Okay. Yun na yun.
Yun lang.
Tingin ko. Yun lang talaga
Sa
sa'yo.
school, sabi mo eh.
Okay. That's good. Okay.
Ako
Okay,
ganun lang.
Yeah.
Kiss.
okay na
Kiss
yun.
medyo malala.
At least nga sa inyo, ganun lang, di ba?
Yeah.
Ngayon, pag-usapan natin yung confession niya. Saan sila to tingin nyo? Saan kumukuha ng lakas ng loob? Ito mga putang ina mga batang to para gawin yung mga ganung bagay.
Sa moment na yun,
Sa init na nararamdaman.
kumukuha ng lakas ng loob sa moment.
Yes.
I think that's it.
In heat nga daw eh.
Yeah.
Kasi saan ba ako kumuha ng lakas ng loob nun? Sa moment. Tsaka yung fact na walang pasok yung second floor, kaya sa hagdan kami.
At saka yung feeling na wala namang maintenance sigurong dadaan.
Tsaka yung dismissal na eh. So, alam mo yung parang wala ng tao.
Mm.
Why
I'm so
not?
wrong.
Eh, ikaw naman, sa laplapan sa change room, wala naman tao.
Ano?
Wala?
Walang ano.
Walang tao, like, kayo
Oh,
lang.
grabe ka naman. May tao, may mga audience. No, walang tao.
Oo. Saan ka kumuha ng lakas ng loob? This is the moment.
Nalibugan. Joke lang.
Oo, wag na tayo magpakipot.
Oh, hindi.
Nandun na eh. Ilan
ganun,
taong ka nun?
oh.
13?
No, I was like grade 9? Wait, no,
15.
grade 10. Ano bang grade 10?
16. 15, 16. Yeah.
Mom, sorry.
There's nothing wrong with that. That's
There's
not
nothing
that
wrong
bad.
with that.
Yeah.
Di ko
Pero
naman
kasi sa
kinain.
confession na
Di
to, ginawa nila yung malaswang yun. She's 18 now. Now, this was a few years ago. So, she's fucking minor. A minor. Nung time na yun. Which is kind of wild. And tangina bro, sa kantin. Ginawa siyang panghimaga sa kantin.
Put.
Siguro kasi, I feel like, sobrang hilig. Siguro sa kantin nila, siguro mayaman yung Catholic school nila. May KFC doon. Mahilig sila sa KFC. Because it's finger licking good.
Hindi ko na-get sa gata.
Sabi ni Bella. Sabi ni Bella.
Wow, ang yaman naman ang school.
Naisip ko nga, paano ba yung may KFC sa school?
Kasi nga, yun ang lagi nilang kinakain, KFC. It's finger licking good. Tsaka kung iisipin mo, ang puhunan lang nila, jacket.
Actually.
Like, imagine mo, kasi hindi ko ma-imagine do, kasi how would you do that? Kasi ako, na-imagine ko kasi yung kantin namin, isang lamesa yun na mahaba.
Yeah.
Tapos para siyang bench.
Yeah.
So may katapatan ka eh.
Oo.
Yeah.
So how the fuck would you do that? Like without, like kasi pag, syempre, inano mo yun, niratsyada mo yun, tangina, magbabibrate yun parang magnitude 7.1.
He was slick with it.
I don't think
I
so.
think they think that they were.
Yeah.
But
But
They
like
don't
I said,
see.
the jacket was moving.
Yeah. Like, kahit anong gawin mo eh, di ba? Hindi lang yun eh. Kung pupuntahan natin yung mga pinagagawa nila, di ba? After that thing, yung panghimagas, Nag-snacks pa sila after. Tinuloy nila sa cubicle ng men's washroom. Ginawa na talaga nila yung actual thing.
Ay.
And what, I don't know, bakit laging sa Catholic school yung mga confession na ganito?
Kasi I think may rules. So,
Yeah.
mas may thrill.
So hot.
yeah.
Oh.
Alam mo yun,
Breaking
yung parang,
the rules.
bawal. Masarap gawin ng bawal.
Experience eh.
Ikaw ha?
Gusto akong maging makasalanan today. Do you wanna, I can spell sinner.
Uy,
Kinonfess mo yan pag may mga yung pag Catholic school, lagi may confession.
Yes.
Yung
Yeah.
parang yung first Friday mass,
Oo.
tapos may
yeah.
mga confession every couple months. Kino-confess mo yan?
ano ko, confess ko na pag-gisa ko.
Oo.
Kinonfess na nga ni Mang D sa guidance eh. Tinawag na nga sa nanay ko. Hindi ba enough na confession yun?
Pero nakakatawa dito sa confession na to. No? I feel like, I don't know if she has remorse or she's proud. I don't know if she's proud kasi sabi niya nakakahiya naman actually at the start. Pero the thing is though, like kung you feel like nahuhuli ka na dun sa canteen pa lang and yet ginawa niya sa banyo tas nahuli na kayo. Tas nag-break sila pero nag-sex pa din sila. Like ginagawa nila in public places.
Yeah.
How do you fucking I don't even know how to wrap my head around that. Kasi the moment na may nagsumbong sa akin and I did something so embarrassing, parang wala na akong mukhang ihaharap nun eh.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
kayo ba, ikaw Bella, nahuli ka na ipaglaplapan nun, naisip mo iulit ka ulit.
O hindi ko inulit na.
Hindi
Hindi na sa school.
Smart.
Smart.
What I mean is, pero nakakahiya talaga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, pero sometimes kasi chismis is there so you just have to live with it.
Yeah.
Nung time ko, madami kasing ibang na chismis so hindi masyadong
Mas malala.
na-open yung akin.
Yeah.
Oo.
So, it's fine. Hindi ko na ulit inulit sa school.
Sobrang
Lesson learned.
Sa simbahan.
Actually.
mas sacred ground yun.
lang.
ah.
Joke lang po.
We, hindi naman joke yun.
Hindi mismo sa simbahan.
Sa altar.
Sa torre.
Sa tore, sa tuktok ng simbahan.
Sobrang proud siguro ni mama mo sa'yo. Parang si Sender, sobrang proud ng mama niya sa kanya, yung mga pinagagawa niya. Actually, ito yung magandang point eh. Kasi sa dulo, nagtanong si ate na, am I just a fubu or does he feel something for me? So ngayon, pag-usapan natin yan. After all the shenanigans na ginawa nila, what do you guys think?
Fubu, 100 million %.
Fubu.
Yeah, fubu.
Yup. Yes and why?
For me, fubu yun kasi if love ka nung guy and if he respects you, he's not gonna allow things to happen in public. Yung
Yeah.
mga ganun, he's not gonna allow you to be embarrassed sa mga ginagawa. And basta hindi niya gagawin yun
Yeah.
sa'yo. Kasi he respects you.
Yeah.
Mm.
And kung talagang meaningful sa kanya yung relationship niyo at kung ano meron kayo, I don't think he'll do it.
Yeah.
Yup.
That's true.
At least not in public.
Yes.
For me, sa akin, like, if he loves
For
you...
me sa akin.
Oh, sorry. Pasensya ka na. Redundant tayo today. For me, if he really loves you, you wouldn't even be asking this question. You would
Oh
know.
yeah, ang galing mo. Gago.
Diba? Sabi sa'yo,
Uy,
tangin na
sobrang
kaya.
galing mo. I like it.
You know why nagkokame kami ni ate mo? Kasi yung unang point ko dito, tangin na ate, hindi ko alam kung seryoso ba yung tanong mo. It's not even a question.
Yeah.
So anyway, tuloy mo, bestie. Ang
Yun
ganda
lang.
nun.
Like, for me, anong hinihingi mo, girl? Eh, and also, you allow for it to happen. Tapos,
Magtatanong
ka fubu. Ka-fubu ka talaga, be. As in, sobra. And not even the fubu na dinadala pa sa magandang condo or hotel. Yung
Public place.
public place fubu. I'm so sad.
Yung pang park.
Yeah.
Hindi, dun nga lang sa ginagawang construction na bahay. Wala na yung mga construction worker. Tara, dun tayo. Meron
Sa ano mga talahiban.
meron na silang hagdan. Dun tayo sa hagdan.
But you know what? No judgment if that's your kink. Pero wag ka na magtanong ng
Yeah.
kung love ka.
Ay, ikaw, ate Kyla.
No, I believe in that. Like, if he really does love you, he wouldn't put you in a situation like that where you have to like rethink if you're.
Yeah.
Because you know what, moments like that should be intimate and like
True.
you should feel loved. You wouldn't
Yeah.
have like second thoughts na. Am I
Yeah.
just a fubu? Am I just no?
Exactly.
Because babes, you are. Stand up! Like, come on, girl, stand up. Because yeah.
You know what? You guys are so smart. You know why?
I know, thank you.
You know why?
you.
You covered all the basic, like all the points that I got here, especially yung sagot mo, Bella, na ito for real, word per word. Sabi ko, kung nire-respeto ka nung guy at may good intention sa'yo At higit sa lahat, kung may feeling siya for you, this is all caps, sender. Hindi siya gagawa ng bagay na maari mong ikasira or ikapahiya. Poprotektahan ka niya. Ngayon, ako naman na magtatanong sa'yo, sender. Ganun ba yung ginawa niya sa'yo? So ngayon, I think that answers your question. 'Di ba? Sinagot na ng mga co-host ko ditong napaka mga conservative and
Yes.
very wise women and
Very.
role models of the community. Yun ang dapat mong tolaran hanggang lap-lap lang. Lap-lap pa, hindi lap dance.
Pero wala.
Pero lap-lap. And the thing is though, like, yun nga tama yung sinabi nila. And ito yung pinakamasakit dyan Kung ngayon, alam na nating fubo ka, at this point in time, ngayon, sino ang mukhang kawawa?
Ipamukha mo pa na fubo siya.
Diba? No, kasi kung gusto mo talagang magbago ka, you need to fucking know the truth. Like, raw.
Yeah.
Diba? No sugarcoating.
Know your
Kasi-
worth.
Diba? Exactly. Know your worth and probably like yung sarili mong self-respect. Kasi kung hindi namin sasabihin to ng raw, ng ganyan, puro sugarcoat, ibibaby ka namin, baka bukas gagawin mo na naman yan doon sa may kanto lang
Yeah.
Diba? Sa may pandesalan or ano man, paresan. Di ko alam kung anong trip mo pero yun nga Ang problema pa dyan, ngayon, ikaw yun ang mga problema niyan. And you think, ano yung iniisip ng guy? He's probably proud of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isang kwento ka na lang sa inuman ngayon.
Oh,
na
yeah.
alam mo ba, si ganito yung ginawa ko.
That's true.
You know what I mean? Yun yung kawawang part. Kasi, yun yung nakakaawang part yung parang ikaw yung nababother right now and you're thinking, nagkaroon ba siya sa akin ng feelings? When in fact, hindi. And pangatlo, isa ka na lang kwento.
Yeah.
Na pinagtatawanan, na pinagpapantasyahan, or you know what I mean? Like, gusto mo bang maging kwento ka na lang, like, hindi lang ikaw, sender. Lahat kayo dyan na nagbabalak, pumasok sa ganitong klase ng sitwasyon or type of relationship na kung saan, parang kayo yung kawawa. Kasi sa guys, this is the unfair truth of the world. Like, pag ginawa to, ang guys, they can get away with it very simply, no questions asked. And sila pa yung para ipipraise ng world na, oh, you got more bodies, then that's
Yeah.
actually nice. Pero kung ikaw yung ginawa nito as a girl, ikaw yung kawawa. Ikaw yung malalabelan ng HOE.
Yeah.
Diba? If you think of... sabi mo sa akin, champion ka ng spelling bee, tapos hindi mo
Oo, kaya nga, nag-make sure
Grabe.
lang na.
Yeah, yun nga parang real talk yun Parang, I'm sorry ko, sender, kung na-offend ka, but you're asking the question and here I am trying to tell you our thoughts. Diba?
Yeah.
So, yun lang. Parang, I mean, this might have happened before and I hope hindi na siya nangyayari ulit. Kasi, just imagine yung kung mangyayari siya ulit. Yun lang yan. Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag ka nang kumain sa KFC. Mag-Jollibee ka na lang.
Bida ang saya.
Yeah. Kasi like, ito pa. I'm not saying this to offend you or anything at all. Rather, I'm trying to tell you na have some self-respect. Kasi if you don't, no one will. Diba? Like, that's real talk.
True.
Kasi ikaw yung unang taong re-respeto sa sarili mo
Yeah.
Diba? So then, kung wala kang respeto sa sarili mo, then how do you expect other people will respect you?
Exactly.
Diba? Kaya yun lang. Kung kayo guys, kayo dyan, yung ibang mga bata dyan na nagbabalak na magpakaganyan-ganyan, then that's on you, you know. Pero pag naging kwento kayo, huwag kayong iiyak-iyak. Kasi, kaya tulad nito, kwento, si ate, kwento na.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
literally.
Pamukha
Yeah.
mo pa, dali.
Diba? Well, I think, I might sound being harsh, but this is actually like the truth. Like, we're giving, like, yung parang awareness and direction sa kanila. I'm not the best. Like, hindi ko naman sinasabing wala akong katangahan or katarantaduan na ginawa na hindi ako napapahiya or napahiya pala before. But I'm just stating a fact right now. Yung sa nangyari sa'yo. Kayo, ano pa?
Like, alam mo kung yan yung trip mo, and some people have that trip, kink nila na, to do it in public places. It's okay if you wanna, but at the very least, do it with someone na, na he loves you and he'll respect you and di niya naman pagkakwento na, itong si ganito, inano ko yan sa ganitong place, whatever. At least, at the end of the day, kahit medyo kakaiba yung trip mo, you can sleep at night assured na I did it with someone na at least love ako.
Yeah.
You know, and who respects me. And
Yeah.
hindi ka magtatanong sa kanya kung fubu ba ako or
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice. That's actually true.
Yeah. For me, you have to respect yourself para i-respect ka ng ibang tao. Ganun kasi parang,
Nirespect mo yung sarili mo na kapag
Hoy, oo! Ba't nirespeto naman niya ako?
There's love there.
There's, hindi.
Okay, sorry.
We
Hindi.
like dated for 2 days. No, pero yeah.
Good enough.
Ang hindi rumispeto sa kanya yung contractor. Ay,
Foreman.
foreman
Hindi
pala.
na, wait lang ha.
Hindi nakulong na yun sa flood control
Hindi niya
right now.
talaga ako nirespeto kasi he told me hindi niya ako isusumbong.
Yeah.
Yet he did. Sobrang walang respeto yun sa privacy ko.
Sino yon?
Si Mang D. Okay, anyway, going back. For me kasi, you have to respect yourself para i-respect ka ng ibang tao. Kasi if you don't respect yourself, then paano ka nila i-respeto? How would they know how to respect you? If ikaw mismo hindi mo alam ka na i-respect yung sarili mo, di ba? But yeah, tama si ate, if you like to do it in public places, you should at least do it with someone you love.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Pero hindi
kasi-
naman sa kantin. Tangina, parang
Wag
main,
naman.
parang ano pay-per-view, main event.
No, kasi puro minor yung nandun. Eh kung nakita
I
nila
know.
yon, paano kung may kinder dun? Nakita yung ginagawa nyo.
Oo nga.
Child abuse ka pa, buwisit.
Tangina, sabi, Mama, may nakita ako, Splash Island.
Yeah.
Tangina, well, actually, yeah. That's true naman. O, ikaw, Ate Kyla, anong masasabi mo kay ate?
Stand up, get up.
Mainit na yung upuan doon, no?
Girl, oo, like,
Nakakapagod maging HO.
like, yeah, I think that's the number one advice I would give is respect yourself. Because you're
Paano
wasting...
mo ka ng respect yourself?
Sa totoo lang. That's joke lang. No, because like it's just like if that's what if you're looking for love, that's not the place where you'll find it. Kasi like questioning your worth will just drain you out. You know?
Yeah.
If you feel like that you're not really with the person you love, you're just in it for the, for the show, for the thrill. And
Yeah.
nothing wrong with that if you like doing it in public places. I respect that.
Yeah.
But for me, sorry, those type of moments are intimate for me. Has to be
Yeah.
That's true.
with the person you love. Sorry, I already told you guys I'm not built for casual.
Yes.
I don't wanna be with someone that's been around
Yeah.
because
Yuck.
even yuck, we listen and we don't judge. But
Yeah.
I just ew.
Yeah, it's your preference.
Sorry,
Yeah.
my husband
It's
is
around.
out there.
Yeah.
My husband would never do that. Sometimes you just gotta say my husband would never do that and move on.
Yeah. Love
Just
that.
say that.
Yeah, that's true. Actually, like, I think lahat naman ng sinabi namin dito is more like self-respect, having some decency, even the fact na if you have someone and you wanna do it in public places, if that is your thing, by all means, sabi nga ni Attorney Pat, is do that. As long as kaya kang respetuhin ng partner mo and it goes both ways, girl, boy, whatever. And I guess another thing is, kasi parang ito na naman, nangyari na naman to during the time na mas minor sila. And if you think about it actually closely, there are certain things na pag bata ka, you can get a pass kasi bata ka eh. And like the world doesn't really look at you where you're getting criticized. Kasi you're still a kid and they be like, oh bata pa yan. Which is, I'm not saying na okay kasi parang ganun yung nangyari dito
Yeah.
eh. Kasi it's like when you're adult, you can't just simply do things na ginawa mo ng bata ka kasi you can simply get away with it, right?
Yeah.
Pero my point is, I'm not trying to justify na okay lang yung ginawa niya dito kahit nung bata pa siya kasi there are certain things that you do when you're a kid that will haunt you when you're an adult.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know? So, yun lang. Parang pagbata ka, ang laki ng mundo mo. And then when you actually parang tumanda ka, like lumiliit yun eh. May mga bagay na hindi mo na pwedeng gawin na nagagawa mo ng bata ka na
Yeah.
okay
Yeah.
lang. Pero in this case, kahit bata ka nung ginawa mo to, are you okay with the fact na hinuhunt ka nito to this day na adult
Oh,
ka
yeah.
na?
Yeah.
And ginagawa ka ng kwento sa inuman or sa Noche Buena. You know what I mean?
Iwan
That's
naman
true.
Noche Buena.
You never know.
Not yung buwan eh, kung ano yun.
Kasi kapag ka marites ka, hindi mo naman pipiliin kung anong event eh. Kahit burol yung
Actually,
pag-usap.
That's true.
Kung nasa pamilya ka namin,
Oo.
ate,
Oo.
lahat ng event.
Kaya yun eh. Kaya parang, alam mo ba si Attorney Ana? Oh. Di ba? Sa burol ng lolo.
Finger sa kanti.
Alam mo, may naalala ko dito
Yeah.
sa confession na to. Tandaan niyo yung confession na with the stepdad.
Yeah.
Oh, yung
Tapos,
mga
yung
standards guy.
nagtuloy-tuloy siya hanggang sa
Nagkaroon
nagkaroon
siya
siya ng asawa, tapos
Yeah.
ginagawa niya pa rin. That could happen. If
Oh, yun
it's,
ba yung last episode? Oh,
Yes,
napanood
episode
ko yun.
50.
yeah, if you're super used to it, baka mamaya yun yung maging ending nyo.
Yeah, and
Mm.
that's kind of sad. Like, that's actually scary if yung sinasabi niyang gano'n na. So as much as possible, like it's good. I'm not saying good. I'm not trying like we're not trying to hurt your feelings, but we're trying to be as raw as possible para at least mag-stick yung sinasabi namin sa'yo. Kaya I think even if you're a kid, kasi parang isa yung bagay na gusto kong sabihin dito is, even if when you're a kid, let's say, di ba, pag bata ka, magpapaalam ka. So let's just say, may gusto kang gawin. Di ba? Ito na lang for this example, specific sa confession, gusto mo magpa-finger, but you're not sure if you're supposed to do that. So ngayon, niisipin mo, magpapaalam muna ako kay mama. If you think na pagagalitan ka at sasabihin sa'yo na katarantaduan yung gagawin mo, then at that point, you already know na mali yung gagawin mo kasi you wouldn't even ask advice.
Yeah.
Diba? You know what I mean? So,
Exactly.
kasi pag bata ka, you're still like, okay, he might or she might not be able to discern kung tama yung gagawin niya. Pero, isipin nyo, pag nagpaalam ba ako, papagalitan ako.
Yeah.
Yun agad or papayagan ba ako? At that point, pag nasa isip mo na hindi ako magpapaalam kasi baka mapagalitan ako, then you know na mali yung balak mong gawin.
Yeah.
So, yun lang. So, try to have the conscious effort to make the right choices. I'm not saying na madali siya, but that's why I'm saying try to make the right give an effort para, like make the right choices because ayaw mong magsisisi ka na ganito na Thanksgiving pinag-uusapan is ikaw. And I don't want that to happen. So, yun lang. Any last words, ladies?
That's it, I
Yeah.
think.
I have
Yeah.
nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, iba na pag-uusapan namin sa Noche Buena. So,
Ikaw na. Char.
ikaw na, yeah. And with that, this is your boy, Erwin.
It's your girl, Isabel.
It's your girl, Pat.
And it's Kyla.
Peace.
Bye.